Hi everyone! I'm here to make another batch of soap, and this time this will be for holiday or Christmas season. And I will be using Neroli and Shea Blossom from Brambleberry, and this scent is so good. It has a notes of bergamot, lime, orange blossom, and cedar. It's so good. And for my molds, I will be using a different mold this time, and this will be my molds, which is flowers design, and I have also this one. So this will be a gift for all my friends and some customers. This one and this beautiful Christmas tree designs. And I will be using different kinds of color mica. This red one, I have this blue, and I have some pink. I will add in coconut milk.